everyone, this is Akila from grade 9 bringing you the weekly news bulletin of Srishti World School. Let us take a look at the important events of this week. To commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the school organized Children's Day celebrations marked by color, creativity and cheerful performances. The day came alive with housewise dance competitions where students showcased energetic performances in vibrant costumes, adding charm and spirit to the event. Teachers and house representatives guided and encouraged their teams throughout, ensuring that every performance reflected hard work, coordination and enthusiasm. In the junior category, Swayam and Smiti houses secured first place, followed by Shaurya House in the second place. In the senior category, Swayam House won first place while Swecha House stood second. The celebrations featured a special address by Director Ma'am and Executive Director Ma'am who expressed their heartfelt appreciation for students' talent and efforts. Their words reflected their deep dedication to the cause of children and their commitment to nurturing young minds with opportunities for creativity, confidence and joyful learning. Moving on to national observances, on 7 November, the school marked 150 years of national song Vande Mataram. Our NCC cadets offered special respect and national song was sung across grade 1 to 10. This observance strengthens patriotic values and cultural pride. Up next, highlights from the Early Childhood Development Wing. This week, Srishti World School conducted the Pre-Children's Day Carenest Fun and Brain Development event alongside the launch of Carenest mobile application.
This event is a part of our holistic AI-based early childhood development program, crafted to support every child's unique learning journey.
Parents of pre-primary and grade 1 students took part in engaging activities that supported cognitive, motor, social, emotional and language development. 48 parents were felicitated for successfully completing more than 60 home-based brain development tasks with their children. Now an exclusive update from Srishti Careness.
Visionary leader who has dedicated herself to the early years of education. Our executive director has been honored with a numerous prestigious recognitions that reflect her tireless commitment to shaping young minds. These include Education Icon of the Year 2025, International Education Excellence Awards 2025.
On behalf of the team Srishti, we really appreciate your efforts on a daily basis, and all the active parents who are here, special appreciation to you, and for all the children who have achieved their first set of neurodevelopmental activities with the support of their parents. So congratulations to all you children. But we appreciate the parents who are here. So 0 to 6 years, we are taking a special focus on it. So holistic AI, artificial intelligence is here.
We welcomed our parents and students to heartwarming Srishti Careness session where creativity met collaboration. The highlight of the event was an exciting freeze and dance game during which parents and children teamed up to form various shapes and color targets. This simple yet joyful activity allowed families to bond, participate actively and enjoy meaningful time together on campus. Parents and students participated enthusiastically, leaving with happy hearts and cherished memories. Our Executive Director Ma'am interacted warmly with parents, sharing appreciation and encouragement, making the day even more special. The turnout was truly impressive and the event beautifully demonstrated how parents' involvement strengthens learning, confidence and school community spirit. This session also witnessed the launch of Srishti Careness mobile application designed to further support parents with child development resources, tasks and timely updates. Events like these reflect Srishti's commitment to nurturing strong home-school partnerships. Moving to achievements in arts, Reshma of grade 8 secured the second position in International Peace Poster Competition conducted by Lions Club. Such achievements nurture creative thinking and global participation. From arts, we move to sports. In under-17 boys netball, S. Pavan Teja and Mohit Sai of grade 10 represented the school at state level tournament. Pavan Teja of grade 10 qualified for the national level netball team. In the under-17 girls category, the team finished as runners with remarkable performances by Sindhusri and Vanaja of grade 10. Shifting to academic updates, SOF Science and Mathematics Olympiad exams were conducted this week. Such competitions enhance logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. The SAFL examination for grade 9 is currently underway. This assessment supports competency-based academic progress. And now, moving on to school-wide announcements. Admissions are now open at Srishti World School for the academic year 26-27. Early admissions ensure timely planning and smooth onboarding for new students. This concludes the weekly news bulletin. This is Akila of grade 9 reporting from Srishti World School, Visakhapatnam. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.